The Malacat is capable of splitting itself, meaning that you can have on controller 1 sound on one side and controller 2 sound on the other side. So 2 separate sounds, controllers 1 and 2, at the same time. But it's also slightly more sophisticated in that you can overlap your splits. So that means you can have a section on the right side that's one sound. Here you can have both sounds, and on the left side it's another. So let's see how to program this on the Malacat. Simply step on the Edit foot switch. Make sure you are on controller 1 so that you're doing the right side of the keyboard. If it's not, if it says 2, you hit the C sharp or the D sharp, the increment or decrement pads on the high octave. So it says controller 1. Then while the foot switch is still held down, you hit the D natural on the second octave, and the instrument says split. And you see a number. The number represents 0, 1, the lowest note on the instrument, a 5 octave, all the way up to 127 on the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the split point on this C, which is note number 25. If you have a 3-octave instrument, it's your lowest note. So when I let go of the foot switch, the sound on controller 1 will work up to here and then stop. This side of the instrument will have no sound at all. Now, to get that sound to work, you step on the foot switch again, you change Edit controller 1 to Edit controller 2. You hit the split key again, which is that D natural, and then you assign a note value to that. And I'm going to put it here, the C on the second C, and let go. That means now that from the lowest note to here is one sound, and the highest note to here is the other sound, and the middle has 2 sounds playing at the same time. If you get the same sound, it could be because you forgot to change the channel on the second controller. In order to have 2 sounds, they both need to be on different channels, and your sound module needs to be a multi-timbral device.